Touch it, bring it,
Alright, so basically what we're going to be doing is getting the car ready for this month's event. We're going to be pulling the motor out, checking over everything, checking the car from front to back, making sure everything is good and ready. I do plan on pushing it into the 6-second zone. That is the main goal right now. I've had this car for about 4 years now. I've taken it little by little. I've learned a lot. I learned everything I know based off this vehicle. A lot of experience behind it. I'm getting extremely comfortable with it. I think it's time now to try to break that barrier. The car's never been a 6-second period with its previous owner. God willing, we can make that happen. And just go little by little, man. I want to enjoy the process. I've been having a hell of a lot of fun. Cars ran multiple 7.2 passes now, consistent 7.4, 7.3s, 7.2s all day long. This motor don't owe me nothing. It's been in the car all year since last February. I basically repainted the whole car. I debuted it. It had a week of private testing, a 4-day long event, another private testing day after that. I then caught the car on fire due to a gas tank cracking, and it threw fuel all over the place, and it wasn't nice. I put it back together. I showed up to a May event, Bracatazo, did 7.4, 7.5 back-to-back, spinning the tire. Then I came back to October and basically ran 7.2 all weekend, 7.3, and here we are.
Touch it, bring it, touch it, bring it, touch it, bring it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it,
hey, let me take their ass back to the club real quick.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted.
Who be the king of the sound? Bust a bus back, they just put a lock on the town. A lot of my bitches be coming from miles around. See, they be coming, cause they know how to gouge it down.
Turn it up, now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Niggas saluting and trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with you niggas just clowns. Making the bitches strip and throw this shit on the ground.
Get low, bus. Now that's the way that it goes. When we up in the spot, the shit be flooded with hoes. Come on, see when you make it hot, the chicks will come out their clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy already know I
Turn it up,
suppose.
shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out. Come on, while she trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop,
get low,
formatted.
boss.
And as we start again, we ringing the bell. When I come, I be doing it and doing it well. Then I beat up the coochie and be making it swell. Trying to hide the smell of the sex. Spraying on a
Turn it
Chanel.
up, then they tried to walk with a strut, so no one could tell. Come on. How a nigga got in their butt, made everything jail. Come on. Now the chicken wild like a nut, she blowing my cell. Come on. Can't get enough of the kid, I put her under my spell.
Get low, bud. It's not it, mommy, move it along. If you know you bout it, then get to removing your thong. To the whip and back of the truck, that's where you belong. After the yak, be the type of raunchy shit that be
Turn it
on.
up, street niggas respect it because my movement is strong. Cause we consistently rapping, see my money is long. All my bitches is with me, how we get in the stick and we be taking them long. I let them
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
The guard of the block, you see that I'm back. Every single time that I drop, this shit is a rap. For the niggas hating the kid, I'm close to the strap, cause all they bitches wanna come talk and sit on my
run it
lap.
up. Every time I give you bang shit, they knocking your whip. Come on, nigga always do his thing, bitch. Locking the strip. Come on, lot of mommies just dancing and they shaking their hips. After that they get low, put the thing on their lips. I let them
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
Well, I guess we can see why we had an injector problem during the event. Car was getting really fat. Well, injectors are basically not working, so they're stuck open or they're stuck shut, one or the other. It's just terrible. You can see how bad this thing is, man. Yeah, definitely not supposed to look like that, but that's what methanol does.
Amiga, déjame decirte todo Amiga, déjame decirte todo lo que siento. Que ya no puedo más vivir con este amor secreto. Amiga, muero sin tener el beso de tu boca, soñando el roce de tu piel, amor. Amiga, yo le siento celos hasta el propio viento. Lo mío es un amor voraz que crece como el fuego. Si creo que antes de nacer te estaba amando y ahora tengo que morir de sed. Qué locura enamorarme yo de ti. Qué locura fue fijarme justo en ti. Y en silencio yo quiero, y tu amor tiene otro dueño. Amiga, déjame decirte todo Amiga, déjame decirte todo lo que siento. Que ya no puedo más vivir con este amor secreto. Amiga, muero sin tener el beso de tu boca, soñando el roce de tu piel, amor. Amiga, yo le siento celos hasta el propio viento. Lo mío es un amor voraz que crece como el fuego. Si creo que antes de nacer te estaba amando y ahora tengo que morir de sed. Qué locura enamorarme yo de ti. Qué locura fue fijarme justo en ti. Y en silencio yo quiero, y tu amor tiene otro dueño. Siente todo lo que siento. Que ya no puedo más vivir con este amor secreto. Amiga, muero sin tener el beso de tu boca, soñando el roce de tu piel, amor. Amiga, yo le siento celos hasta el propio viento. Lo mío es un amor voraz que crece como el fuego. Si creo que antes de nacer te estaba amando y ahora tengo que morir de sed. Qué locura enamorarme yo de ti. Qué locura fue fijarme justo en ti. Y en silencio yo
Microphone checker.
Microphone checker, swinging sword lecture, closing down the sector, supreme neck protector. Better want him, kid, Mr. Mester. Forming pop, out the public live from the pressure. Too hot for TV, for cheesy. Too many wanna be hard, be easy. It's all in the clever going on, not together, it don't take much to please me. Still, homes never satisfied like the stone. So joking, don't like and see them coming crossbones. Protecting what I'm writing, don't clash with the titans. Who blast with a license to kill crappy titans. Come on, in the zone with your nigga from the phone to cow.
Fucking lifestyle.
Put your lights out, get this shit to crackin', got you feeling with your lights out. Time for some action. Surfing the avenue, mad at you. Where I used to battle proof. Back when that's with that, had an attitude. Cover me, I'm going in. Walls closing in. Got us busting off these pistols. My niggas got issues again. Same song, all with the mega ball. Throw you out the frame, then I'm gone.
Yep, I was going too, but we roam. Cellular phones, dot map, back in the flesh, blood and bones, don't condone. Spin bank loans and homegrown. Suckers break like turbo and ozone. When I grab the broom, moon.
So as you can see here, everything's back together, everything's ready. Doesn't look as pretty anymore because, you know, the engine bay got all toasted up, but it is what it is. At this point, we're just looking to finish our goal, make it happen, and after that, she'll probably earn her paint job again. Alright guys, so it's been about a week. We've been taking our time, diagnosing everything, putting everything back together. We got the motor back in, we got everything put back together. I had a new coil harness built up, and luckily I did that because we found a couple bugs with that. We found a dead coil that was coming in and out, causing a couple of our misfires. So fresh harness, fresh coils, fresh spark plug wires should make a big difference. Hopefully everything goes good.